Hey, good morning, guys. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Wednesday, November 26th, the day before Thanksgiving here in the States. As you would suspect, pretty slow. We did have some possible trades on the radar, but no trades, no setups occurred. Algorithm just actually canceled one of our signals, didn't spit out any new ones. Surprisingly, we had durable good orders and consumer confidence, not consumer confidence, durable good orders and initial jobless claims come out this morning. Terrible numbers, completely missed the mark. Didn't really impact much. Didn't impact currencies. Didn't impact bonds. Didn't impact stocks. So it's just a total direct correlation to so many people being out of the office. Today's the busiest travel day of the year here in the States. Just a big vacation. You got a lot of junior traders on the desk, so you're not going to get big movements. But we did have one trade which came in, was actually last night, was a short in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, which you see here. We probably got out way too soon. Obviously, we got out way too soon. You see the chart. We were short this 104.625. We picked up 3.7 pips. You could see it actually on a 30-minute chart. It looks a little bit easier. On a 15-minute chart, it's even more difficult to trade. It had some trouble getting through here, the 104.55 level. It was like bouncing around at the 55 level for a while. On a 15-minute chart, or half an hour, it looks like it pierced through it, but it looks a lot easier here on, like I say, on the half hour. It did break through it, came into right around 50, 48, 49 level, tried to hold that, and it did hold it for several hours here, as you can see. And then overnight, around 3 o'clock in the morning, 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning or so, it finally broke down, came into 104.25. So, we announced the trade before we took it. It was an easy trade, good trade. We announced when we covered. We were mentioning that it was having trouble around that 55 level. And even after it broke it, and you can see this consolidation. This consolidation is all around that 55 level, which we spoke about. So you could have, if you covered, if you held a little bit longer than us, you definitely made more because you had ample time to cover here at a lower price than we did. And then if you held it even longer, I mean, you had a great opportunity to cover down here, in the 20s or around 30, 32, something like that. And have a really nice trade. We weren't going to hold it going in, not being in the office, over, middle of the night here in the States. So we were definitely going to be out. So, again, not a great trade, but it was a very good trade if you held it or if you're willing to watch it. For us, it was an okay trade. I mean, anytime you make money is an okay trade. So one trade picked up 3.7 pips. Not the end of the world. Unfortunately, just slow, but that's as to be expected. It'll pick up again next week. For December's will be slow when we come into the Christmas and New Year, but it'll be busy for the first 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. Actually, about 3 weeks. So that's it. We're gonna wrap it up. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. We don't expect many to do come. And we'll be back next time. I probably won't be back till Monday. Doubt we'll place any trades during Thanksgiving, and then Friday is going to be ultra dead. Markets here in the States the early stock market closed. It's a half a day, so some banks are closed Thursday. So we won't be looking to trade, but we'll be back. And next time we do a video, we'll be when we do have some trades. So if you're here in the States, have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll be back, like I said, when we get some trades. Any signals come out, they'll come your way. If you're still trading now, good luck, and have a great holiday.